Croeso cynnes i gêm fawr De Cymru. A na, fi ddim yn sôn am Abertawe yn erbyn Caerdydd. Fi ddim hyd yn oed yn sôn am y Bari yn erbyn Pen y Bont. Na, i fi'n sôn am Pontypridd yn erbyn Llanilltud Fawr yng Nghynghrau'r De Cymru. Falle bod nhw'n enwau anghyfarwydd, ond does dim amheuaeth fod Llanilltud Fawr a Pontypridd yn glybiau hynod uchelgeisiol. A gyda'r ddau ohonynt wedi wneud cais ar gyfer drwyddeb domestig eleni, fe allwn ni weld y ddau glwb yn mynd o nerth i nerth. JJ, here we are, big game today against, it's fair to say, your biggest competitors this season. Are you up for the challenge?
Yeah, certainly very excited to the challenge of the game we face today. Delighted to be hosting the game against Llantwit Major with all the extra attention that comes with it through the media and the interviews. Yeah, we're very much looking forward to and excited for the game.
And in terms of the long-term plans, JJ, what are the aims?
For us, immediately is to get into the Welsh Premier League in the next 1 to 3 seasons, and then beyond that it's competing in the Welsh Premier League first and foremost, and seeing where our ambitions take us longer term with hopes of grandeur and European ventures. Who knows whether that'll take us in the future.
Llantwit undefeated in the season so far. Did you guys expect to be doing so well?
I think expect is probably wrong, the terminology to use, because you can never expect anything in this league because every team has got some quality. But we know we've got a good group of lads who are quality footballers, work for each other. Most of the local lads, none of our boys get paid. They're all happy to play as a group of friends. Yeah, so expect, no. Are we happy? Yeah, definitely. But there's still a long way to go, and we're just taking each game as it comes.
You're a club with a lot of ambitions, aren't you?
Our ambition is to play in the Cymru Premier League. That's it, that's our ambition. This season, just to finish high as possible we can and keep this good run going and keep fighting for all those points.
Dim ond 3 munud gymerodd hi i'r tîm cartre greu cyfle cynt ar gêm. Pêl hir gan y golwr yn canfod Lee Baldock, ond y cawr Gavin Bedard yn methu cyfeirio'r peniad ar y targed. 10 munud yn ddiweddarach a Ponty'n cipio'r bêl yng nghanol y ca, Sam Johnson ar ras trwy'r canol a Conor Goldsworthy yn cymryd cerdyn melyn dros y tîm. Ond o'r gic rydd ganlynol, fe sgorwyd gôl gynt ar gêm. Lee Baldock ar ergyd isel yn twyllo'r golwr Jack Lansdowne a Pontypridd ar y blaen. Gyda 26 munud ar y cloc, daeth digwyddiad allweddol yn y gêm. Chris Evans yn codi ei drod yn rhy uchel a Llanilltud Fawr i lawr i 10 dyn. 37 munud wedi chwarae a sgoriodd Pontypridd ei hael gôl. Tafliad hir Von Fowler yn cyrraedd Sam Johnson a Johnson yn dyblu mantais y tîm cartref. Yna 5 munud wedi'r egwyl nath 2 droi'n dair. Gavin Bedard yn gwneud dim camgymeriad gyda'i dalcen y tro hwn. Bod nhw dyn yn bryn fe greodd yr ymwelwyr ambell i gyfle, Thomas Walters yn cael ei nadu gan Morgan Davies. Cyn i Walters groesi'n berffaith i Cullen cyn sela, ond y peniad yn taro'r postyn. Pas lac o'r amddiffyn ac o'r Llanilltud mewn trwbl unwaith eto, a Luke Gillick yn gorffen yn gampus o ongl dyn i'w gwneud hi'n 4-0 gyda hanner awr ar ôl i'w chwarae. Ac fe all pethau wedi mynd yn wath i'r tîm ar frig y tabl, ond i bai am ddoniau Jack Lansdowne, arbediadau dewr gan y golwr i rwystro'r bryned. Aeth Ponty lawr i 10 dyn hefyd yn dilyn ail gerdyn melyn James Bloom, ond methodd Llanilltud am anteisio wrth i beniad Lee Jones daro'r trawst.
Yeah, absolutely delighted with the performance and the result. Billed as a top of the table clash before the game and absolutely thrilled with the result.
Didn't defend very well, and they've got quality. You know, and when you're up against teams that have got that quality and they play to their strengths, and we don't defend properly, you're going to lose games.
Yeah, I think it's a big statement to the rest of the league. Obviously, we're here, we want to win the league. We've made no secrets of that, so it's another step forward to our end goal, really.
Siomedig iawn. Oedd y Cedyn Coch wedi newid y gêm yn gyfangol wel, ond doedd y pêl cwmpo amdani heddiw. A dyna pêl-droed, really.
Wel, Carfan hapus iawn, 3 pwynt pwysig, a gyda taw 2 pwynt tu ôl i'w nawr, so ni'n dod Llanilltud Fawr, ni'n dod.